You're looking to buy a home or you just purchased a home with a basement. Basements can be very versatile. Stay tuned, I'll answer your questions about your basement. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Basements can offer a homeowner many options. In this video, I'll tell you the advantages, disadvantages, and what maintenance is needed for your basement. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. There's one major obvious advantage of basements, and that's the added space. It's the added square footage of possibility, living space, storage, and much more room to hold guests or just have more room for kids to play in. One of the large disadvantages of basements is here in the Midwest, you're making a lot deeper hole to create this space. And so you're getting much closer to high water tables that allow water intrusion into your basement, as well as with the clays that we have, you can run into hydrostatic pressure that's putting a lot of stress on those basement walls that can cause bowing basement walls. When it comes to maintenance of a basement, it becomes very visual. So you're looking for cracks in the walls, whether they're vertical, horizontal cracks. You're also looking for evidence of water, whether that's standing water, walls or floors being damp, but also what we call effervescence, where it looks like a white chalk on your basement wall, where maybe water has pushed through that wall and left this deposit left over. These can be signs of that hydrostatic pressure making an effect on your home or water intrusion beginning. And these are things that are very beneficial and a lot more economical to catch on the front end. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your basement? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.